UpLead's Essentials plan is $99 a month, or $74 a month if you pay annually. And for that, you get exactly 170 credits. That's it. Once you've used them, you're done for the month, because unused credits don't roll over. They just expire at the end of the billing cycle. LinkFinder AI works differently. Your credit balance just sits there, and you draw it down at your own pace whenever you actually need a lookup. Before we start, go to the video description and click the first link to access LinkFinder AI. Then create a free account by clicking Start Free Trial. No credit card needed, and you get free credits to start. Here's the lookup in action. Type in a company name, let's use Stripe, and click Enrich Data. In a few seconds, LinkFinder AI returns the company's official website, stripe.com, straight from the name alone. One credit, one clean result. Now, if you're processing a whole list of companies instead of one at a time, switch over to Upload CSV Bulk. Drop in your file, and LinkFinder AI enriches every row the same way, at the same one credit each, no matter how many companies are on the list. And everything you just saw also works through the API. Head to API Access, grab your key, and you'll find endpoints like company name to email and company name to website, all 1 credit per request, and as the docs say right there, every request costs 1 credit regardless of endpoint, including failed lookups. No surprise multipliers, no hidden pricing tiers. So that's the real trade-off. UpLead caps you at 170 contacts a month whether you use them or not. LinkFinder AI just lets you buy what you need and use it on your schedule. If you want to try it yourself, the link's in the description, and you get free credits to start.